You guys, check this out. So I got some nail mail from Doper Than Your Nails, and my original plan was just to do a video with the music and just show you the products. But I had to show you guys this more in detail because, first of all, look at this packaging, okay? The little things are hearts. How cute is this, you guys? I am so obsessed. And then it came with all this information, all this different things. Look at her logo. I love it. You guys got to check her out. If you're not following her, go give her a follow and check out her products because they are amazing. And then this is the one collection, Celestial of Love collection. Just look at the back. Look at it. Look at those are the colors, okay? And I got a mystery box because I have never tried her stuff before, so I wanted to try a little bit of this, that, and the other. Wasn't sure what to get, so I figured a mystery box would be perfect. So this is some polygel instructions and brush care. I love that she includes all this information. That is so great. And then this is the other collection, Sugar Plum Fairy Winter. Look at these colors, you guys. And look how beautiful this is. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And then she sent a little like goodie bag with some chocolates and a handwritten note. When companies take the extra time to do stuff like this, it just means so much to me because they don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? And it just shows how much they really do appreciate your order. So thank you for that. I really love this. And I will keep it forever. Now, this is what came in my mystery box. I think it was like 35 or something like that. And it said 5 items. I got a thing of polygel. It's in the color Wispy Peach. I'll do swatches of everything in another video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So it says it's a hybrid gel, which I believe is the same thing as a polygel. So I'm excited to try that. And this is the first gel polish I got. It's called Blue Hour. Look at this color, you guys. It's more of a purpley blue or a blue with purple undertones, you know. It is stunning. I am so excited to use that. And then I got this gel polish here, which is Aurora Petal. Is that what that says? Yeah. And it's a pink with like that chrome shift to it. I know you can't see it well because my light. I'll try to insert some better pictures of it here. Oh, they're here. So Blue Hour and Aurora Petal. So those two are from the Sugar Plum Fairy Winter collection. And then this here are art gels. So this one is 7th House, and you turn it. I was trying to pull it before. And this one's a red. I'm not going to open it because I don't have gloves on. And then this one is Solar something. I don't know that word. Why can't I say that word? I don't know. But those colors are right here. Let me show you. So this orangey red it looks like, and this orange like shimmery chrome looking one. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I'm so excited for these. I cannot wait to try them, and just everything is so pretty. Look at the sticker. I love it so much, you guys. You guys got to go check her out. I'm obsessed. I will share soon the swatches and everything, but I had to show you guys everything. I love it so much. The packaging, the extra details, the products, all of it. It's perfect. So sorry for the long video, but I feel it needed. It was needed. I love you guys bunches. Thanks for watching. And I have her tagged to the video, so make sure you go check her out. Bye, guys.